people when they understand that how that this is going to pan out, that बहुत लोग बोल सकते हैं कि अरे ये तो बहुत एक्सट्रीम स्टेप है, इसमें आपने ऐसे क्यों किया कि आप छोड़ के चले गए, बट द पर्सन वाज सो डन विद द एंटायर प्रोसेस, डे इन डे आउट, वो साइकिल उसकी खत्म ही नहीं हो रही थी, दैट शी डिसाइड्स कि ओके आई हैव हैड इनफ. In your own personal lives, it doesn't have to be anything related to your house or to your workplace. It could be any general incident or something where you realize that you need to rethink your way of approaching a particular process, because you are losing out on things. Like you said, that Richa slowly realizes कि यार यहाँ गड़बड़ हो रही है हमारे साथ. तो ऐसा कुछ कभी हुआ है that you understood that something I have to recalibrate? Has it ever happened with you?
Yeah, I'm going through that. I think hustle culture in this industry, and we celebrate it, we romanticize it, and we also glorify it. Our industry does that oh हम set पे ही मर जाएंगे, कैमरे के सामने ही हमारी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, which I don't believe in, and so many people work with that intention, and there is no not a lot of people have that balance in their lives. तो वो थोड़ा navigate करना मुश्किल हो जाता है when I want to be like, no, I want to also focus on my personal life, not just my work. If I have to and want to grow as an actor, I also have to live my life apart from being on set. I want to also meet new people who are not from the industry, who are not connected to this at all, to learn something new. But वो थोड़ा बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है to navigate, because some people are, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं है. People are working on Saturdays, Sundays, रात के 12 बजे, 1 बजे, 2 बजे, constantly they're working, and they're also glorifying that sort of a behavior. So that is something that I'm still like trying to navigate. You have to really put your foot down and be like, no, I do not work on Saturday, Sundays. Or I will not reply to your message after 10 p.m, 11 p.m or 8 p.m. तो वो करना बड़ा जरूरी है.
इस फिल्म के दौरान इन्होंने ऐसा किया था कि सैटरडे संडे को हम काम नहीं करेंगे, या फिर हम
तो शूट पे नहीं होता ना ये, पर मैं I don't reply, and I want my team also to enjoy. तो सैटरडे संडे मुझे लगता है कि 2 दिन तो मिलने चाहिए ना हफ्ते में, जाओ मस्ती करो, फिर वापस आओ, फिर कुछ अच्छा भी लगता है.
If and whenever in your own time you decide to get married, and after doing Mrs, यहाँ से क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, क्या लर्निंग लेके जा रहे हो जो अपनी रियल लाइफ में you will be looking out for कि oh this will be stepping into a problem, यहाँ ये रेड फ्लैग हो जाएगा. What is a green flag for Sania Malhotra that she will keep in mind when she is entering into a relationship or embracing marriage?
Not just this film, I think I have really good examples around me. I have great men around me, whether it's my Jiju or my friends. I learned so much from them, so much about feminism from them. तो green ऐसा भी नहीं है. I think a relationship requires a lot of like क्या बोलते हैं, compromises. ऐसा नहीं है कि रेड फ्लैग और ग्रीन फ्लैग, बहुत ही मेजर रेड फ्लैग्स हैं जो आई विल अवॉइड. जैसे रिस्पेक्ट है ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी, and if somebody is constantly gaslighting me, then no. And someone who's not ready to listen, these are my like major red flags. So easy communication is a green flag, where I'm able to communicate any thought that pops up in my head. Like I should not be like, oh no, but I'm not comfortable talking to my partner about this. That is definitely a green flag. Like a easy free flowing conversation, and I like to communicate. Like मैं पूरा time बात कर सकती हूँ about my emotions, about my career, and I love talking. I think communication is really important. So that is a major green flag.
Besides Mrs, we know you're working on Sunny Sanskari. There are other films also जिसके बारे में I don't know if you would want to speak. So अभी इसके बाद when Mrs comes out, and what are you doing right now? Are you shooting for something that you can tell us about? What's in pipeline for 2025?
There's Sunny Sanskari in April. Then there's a film with Anurag Kashyap that I did, which might release this year if I'm not wrong, and then another one in September. And that I'll be announcing it very soon. On 3rd, we are announcing the film.